Little update. Got the nitrous plumbed. Got the secondary fuel system plumbed. I got wire pulled under the truck. Got the bed back on. Got wire pulled into the cab. Just to a stopping point now. If I was just putting it on toggle switches and buttons, I could wire it. But I'm putting everything on relays. So I'm as far as I can get on the nitrous kit install. Got to wire my MSD 6L and decide on whether I want to stick with HEI or if I want to buy a cool and go to the Duraspark or a TFI. I've contemplated that, but I don't really want run lock timing. Little 1 gallon fuel cell. Top it off with some Sunoco 110. Pull some timing. Let's see what it'll do. Hopefully it don't smack the converter and blow through it, or hopefully it don't rip this transmission apart.